Jordan.
Alrighty.
Thank you, Captain.
Oh my gosh, boats on boats. Thank you. But dang, these trees are cool. Check this out. Whoa! They're all kind of intertwined, huh? I'm just gonna probably say this a million times today. I really feel like we're in Lost. Have you seen Lost? Which is basically was filmed like right around here.
Well, I just took a picture at the parking lot there.
Yeah?
And I worked with the lead all winter.
No way!
Yeah.
I also forget his name.
I also forget his name. Isn't that
It's
cool?
fine. I watched all of the seasons. Cool! Alright, next boat. Alright, here we go. Can I go on? Alright, here we go. Let's! Hey, my man. Let's see what's going on. We're gonna, hey, we're out here on the boat. Hello. Slant. Direct command. We're getting wet. Woo! Oh, yeah. Good morning. All right, so for everybody who's guessing where we were going, I'm gonna show you right now. So we had base camp, we did a little boat over to an island, walked the island, then we're taking this boat and we're going to another boat. Thank you guys. Wow. Wow.
So this is your home for the day.
Yeah. Not a bad home for the day. All right, everybody, I'm just doing I'm getting away a little bit, talk to you guys about this. So we're on this boat for the day. We're doing a bunch of cool shots, and this is insane. This boat is absolutely insane. I love it. It's a catamaran. I'm just gonna go explore it a bit. This is sweet. Tierra and Jacob, they are still coming, because I came a little bit early, because I don't know. I was fast out of the gate.
I'm ready.
But this is insane. Look at this place. I love it. Okay, we're gonna go to the top. We're going to the top. It's my last day. This is so sad, but so exciting because this boat is amazing. All right, look at the view. Look where we are. Wow. Hawaii is insane. I would love to come to Hawaii for like 6 months. Spend a nice 6-month adventure in Hawaii. Wow, 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 wow. Cool. All right, we're gonna go to the top. That's where the magic happens.
Yeah, that's great. Yeah.
They're talking, that's why I was being quiet. This is a catamaran. This is amazing. Alright, so my man Victor was just telling me that this is one of the largest bays in Hawaii, and that there's a reef right over there. I don't think you guys probably can't see it, I can't even see it. That protects the entire area, which is sick. I love that. Oh! Alright, friends have arrived. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm at summer camp. Oh hey hey. Yeah, let's preface this for a moment. This is a very nice summer camp. Did a crew roll up? go do it?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh, never mind.
No, we got the front?
Yeah, no, that'd be fine. Yeah, because that's negative. I am clearing out the.
What?
This is much nicer than my apartment.
This is a fact. I'll go ask. Hello, hello. This is amazing. Wow. Yeah, I'll be Titanic. I'll be Titanic. Where are you? Jack, where are you? Oh Jack!
Love can touch us one time and last for a lifetime.
Drone. Come back, drone. Drone! Drone! Oh, yeah. More like yacht mode. All right, we're gonna go shoot a movie. Bye.
What do you do to check out the hotel again? I know, right?
Just have a moment. This is absolutely insane. Insanity. Wow. Wow. That is an island right there that I really want to go and hike. It's a small island. I think it'd be really, really sweet. Yeah, no, this is great. This is my life right now. So we're on a catamaran. So there's two different pillars, like pontoons that go, and they go down each side of the boat. And this boat is absolutely phenomenal. Yeah, it's been an absolute blast. So yeah, here we are, Hawaii. There's Tiara. What is Tiara doing? There she is, talking to her phone, just like I'm talking to a camera. This is amazing. Yeah, this is my last day on set. I'm feeling sad about it. It's been such a great, I've made some really great friends. It's been such a great project. I'm just gonna sit here on this bench. Yeah, I know, I've had a really great blast. So thank you guys for coming along. We have a lot more stuff in Hawaii that we're gonna do, so please stay tuned for that. But it's such a blast. Thank you everybody for being a part of it with me. I really want to jump into the water when I'm done, when I'm wrapped. So be like, Jordan, you're wrapped. Be like, okay, bye. And then just dip off. That'd be sweet. But yeah, here we are, living the dream. All right, well, I'll see you in a second. All right, everybody. We are done the day. We are going back, and I am picture wrapped, which means that I am done the movie, which is actually insane. Now, Tiara's sister still got a day, but I'm all done. So I celebrated that accomplishment with jumping into the ocean off the yacht. So flash to that.
No, this is
I know, we're fine, right?
that's a wrap on Jordan. Congrats, buddy!
We're dead 2 hearts, baby!
Badass.
That was awesome.
What a legend. What a legend. Shock! He just fell, man. I don't know what happened. Jordan is in the water.
It is ginch.
It is, yeah, I don't know what that means. Underwear, ginch, yeah. So now we're just going back on a casual boat ride back. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's been a really cool experience to bring you guys along with. We got a lot more time in Hawaii with this lady.
4 days.
So that'll be super sweet, so stay tuned to that. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, like it for me, subscribe for me, comment for me, mahalo, because we're gonna have some good times. This is Jordan signing off. Remember guys, dare to dream. It's fine, I watched all of the seasons. But hey, well besides the last one, I don't know why. But that's awesome. Wow, pretty incredible.